how do you get a quote on life insurance online? If you are looking to get a quote on life insurance online, it's simple. You can go to covered123.com. They will ask you a few questions. You would answer your age, whether you smoke or not, how old you are, date of birth, and they will give you a quote for term life insurance. Now, will there be an exam? There is no exam required if you are looking for $100,000 or less and you are 50 years old or less. So those are the qualifications. You can just go online, put in the information, and there's no guarantee or commitment to buy. They'll let you know how much it is. If those numbers look good for you, sound good for you, then you could go ahead and purchase the plan. If you purchase the plan with your debit or credit card, you will be issued a policy number and you would be covered today. That is how quick it is. Many people complete the application process in 10 minutes or less. Now, term life insurance, just so you know, there is an end date, meaning that the plan will be in effect for a certain number of years, and that will be of your choosing. Whether you choose 10, 15, 20, 30, it's up to you. And it depends on what age you are when you're purchasing it. At the end of that term, typically the insurance is no longer in effect. Term insurance is best for people who want to make sure during the most busiest time financially of their lives that their family and loved ones are covered. So if you are someone with children, if you have a house, just purchase a house, and you're looking for insurance to cover your mortgage, you want to make sure your kids can stay in the home if something happens to you. Things of that nature. That's why people get term insurance. Term insurance typically has a lower monthly premium than a whole life insurance that requires a medical exam typically. And the reason that is because they're not guaranteeing you for your entire life. You know, the age expectancy right now in America is 82, 84 years old. So if you're starting a term insurance plan at 40 and you have a 20-year term, that's to 60 years old. But if they offered the same rates to a whole life and you're starting at 40, they have many more years to pay. So you get a lower rate because they're only insuring you for a set number of years and then it goes away. But if something happens during that time, your family is covered. Your house is covered. If it's for a car, it's covered. If it's your way of making sure your kids will have college tuition during that time, if something happens to you, that will be covered. So it's very beneficial to have. And if you want to do it online and get a quote, no commitment, go to covered123.com. My name is Andrea Edwards. I'm an independent life insurance agent and broker in the state of Maryland, but I can also service Texas, Virginia, and Ohio. So if you go to the link below, you don't have to speak with me directly. I don't need your phone number. You can just do it all online. That is right. I partner with a company as well as my personal client policies where I speak with them and they answer health questions and we talk about what they need. And I have a dozen companies that I work with that way. And I come to find out it's 2020 and you have to give the people what they want. Sometimes people don't want an agent. They don't want a personal connection. They don't want a tie. I'm not offended. You just want to go online, see if you like the numbers, buy it, and that's it. So you can do that at covered123.com. If you do want to speak to me, you do want to reach out, you do have some more questions that weren't answered in this video, and you do want to protect everything and everyone in your household that means something to you, give me a call at 833-537-7700. And I want to congratulate you for taking the steps to protect your loved ones. They do appreciate it.